Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Pisces, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Pisces and send them the messages they need to hear the most today. Thank you. All right, Pisces, let's start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Pisces, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So, Seven of Cups in reverse. Wonderful. Strength. Ace of Swords. Hanged Man. Ten of Swords in reverse, thankfully. Knight of Pentacles. Eight of Wands, Seven of Wands, and the Four of Swords. Bottom of my deck, I have the Nine of Wands in reverse. So either Pisces, somebody wants the guards to go down now, or it just could be that somebody is now exhausted. Maybe somebody was waiting for the other person to make a choice. They were holding on for a long time, but then maybe that person was holding back, right? So all I think one person wanted was make a choice, tell me what the truth is, waited maybe for a long time till they realized that, hey, nothing is happening here. This connection has burnt. It's gone. It's over. And stagnation took place. But now I think the other person does want to communicate, but they are being met with resistance. Let's see. I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards, Pisces. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify these cards. Pisces and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Oops, I've got the wrong deck. Now that these are out, I'm going to keep these, but I'm going to use these. Okay, so Pisces and their person spirit. Pisces and their person. All right. I'm going to take a few more from here, Pisces. And any of you looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. And a couple more from here, Pisces. Pisces and their person. All right. Good to go, Pisces. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, I know that you stalk me on social media and use other sources to gather information about me after you've chosen to ghost me. It's so not cool. If you want to know anything about my life, you should step up and be involved in it. Your coded, cryptic messages and failure to answer questions drives me up the wall. If you're worried the karmic is going to see, just call me and tell me the effing truth. It's the least I deserve. I swear you get more beautiful every day. With age, you refine and blossom like fine wine. You're absolutely stunning inside and out. So maybe this has been going on for a long time, many years maybe, because somebody is saying you're refining and growing more beautiful with age. I don't want to live without you in my life anymore. You're all I think about. I'm haunted by your presence. I long to be with you. The love I have for you is a deep reflection of the love I have for myself. I found all the fragmented, broken pieces of myself when I met you. You mirrored my wounds so that I can look deep inside of myself and heal from within. This connection can feel out of balance when I try to reassure or overgive to you. I realize that I have to give to myself, and then that you will then master self-love. I was taught that I had to earn love by pleasing people. See, I think this is a lesson that maybe you guys are soulmates. Both have been triggering each other to teach each other some very valuable lessons. That's what's been going on for so long, right? So maybe one person had to realize that they didn't have to overgive, they didn't have to please, they had to love themselves first. Losing hope in this connection. Let's talk and clear the air. We've come too far to give up on us. Let's start over. I'm so proud of you, my love. You inspire me to be a better person. I'm working on myself and I hope that I can inspire you too. See, this is like one person learning from the other and getting triggered to maybe find their life path. Okay, so let's start with an angel blessing card, Pisces. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other first. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing. My mind is getting a little warped. I think this is the 8th reading today and I'm exhausted. This is going to be the last one. Okay, so my angels, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Look deeper. Yes, you may think nothing is happening, Pisces, but a lot is happening where you can't even see it. Maybe the universe is moving heavens to bring you guys back together, or maybe this person is going through certain things which you can't see. On the surface, everything looks cool and calm and, nothing is moving and you're losing hope. But Spirit says, look deeper. There's a deeper meaning to whatever is happening in your connection. Okay? So... all right. So 7 of Cups in reverse, Spirit. What's this? 7 of Cups in reverse. Seven of Cups in reverse. Somebody just wanted clarity. They wanted somebody to make a decision. Choose. Make some clear decision. This wanting to come out of this feeling of rejection and sadness and loneliness, just make a decision. We can have equal give and take. But maybe the other person was always holding back. Yeah, one person was always kind of holding back. Now they feel, whoever was holding back feels, this holding back and all these games that I played, eventually I became the loser. Why do they feel this way? Because now they realized that the person who was always urging them to make a choice was their Empress, and now the Empress is kind of given up, quite fed up. Listen, if you can't make a decision, then fine, I don't want to either. And now, since this Empress has stopped, or made a decision or stopped giving or expecting, this person has now realized, oh, this was my wish fulfillment. This is my shining star. This is the person I want. Now somebody, I think, wants to have communication. Ace of Swords. Because you guys have not been talking to each other or never discussed this issue, that clarity is coming to somebody that I must bring justice to my person. One more, Spirit, for the Ace of Swords. Somebody is in their fields wanting to open up. Yes, they actually want to come in with a romantic offer, Pisces. They really do want to come in with a romantic offer. They are clear about their choice, and they also are very deeply unhappy because maybe in the past this person did not take that offer. They may have disrespected their Empress. They didn't offer any kind of commitment. They're feeling quite emotional about it, maybe a little worried as well. Maybe they just hid their feelings for the longest time, but this person does want to open up now. They do want to bring justice to this connection now, and they want to offer emotions now. They want to come in as a romantic partner. So, Spirit, Hanged Man, what's this Hanged Man? Why are they still stuck? They're stuck because they know they are the ones who created this tower to fall. They've recognized that I am the one who blew up this connection. And now they are kind of feeling devastated. Yeah, because of all the rashness or the angry words or the fights or whatever they did, this epiphany has come to them that I am the one who destroyed it. I'm the one who's responsible for this tower blowing up and crashing because of my anger issues or their words, and destroyed a beautiful soulmate connection. See, I told you, you guys could be soulmates because you both are triggering each other or even teaching each other where you guys are going wrong and what you must heal. So, Ten of Swords in reverse. Yes, somebody here feels that they may never get a second chance because they've delayed it so much. Maybe they've been, because they feel they may not get a second chance, they've been a bit spying here and there or trying to figure out from gossip, or like this card said, I know you check my social media and you stalk me. Yes, this person could be doing that. Heart of hearts, they actually just want to message, straight shot, but very slow. This person is very slow because they don't know how to make it work now. Maybe they have a little bit of ego and pride as well, so that holds them back big time. This person is slow because I think as much as they want to fight for this connection one more time, they do see victory with the person. They feel it's not going to work out. So what if I lose my pride in the bargain? So something makes them hold back. Yeah, they are actually quite burdened by the fact that things have stagnated. Somebody does want to communicate big time. 8 of Wands. What's this 8 of Wands, Spirit? 8 of Wands. They want to talk about the ending. They want to release this toxicity which has come into the connection. They want to return, and they do want to return and talk about things of how things went a wrong direction. Why they didn't apologize for the longest time. They just don't want to be out in the cold anymore, from what I feel. 7 of Wands. 7 of Wands. Yes, they are now seeing it from a higher perspective. They are figuring out that I am the one who never made a decision. I never chose. I never invested in this connection. And the more they're thinking about that, Pisces, the more they're realizing why the stagnancy has hit and why their person has turned their back on this connection. Yes, this is a spiritual lesson for this person. Big time spiritual lesson. They are in hermit mode. If you are not this person, you're the other person, you're the Empress, then you should know they're not with anyone else. They are also getting their awakening. They are also healing. Okay? They have been through their downtime as well. They are very depressed actually internally. They may not be showing it, but internally this person has also gone through a lot of depression. Why is that? Why is that, Spirit? Why is that? They want to come out of this depression, Spirit says. But as much as they don't want this connection to end, they want to take action. They want to show up now proud as not proud that way, but they want to show up as the person who's actually going to do the right thing, and they're mature and they've learned their lesson and whatever. This person is a little worried. They're a little worried that a reconciliation may not be allowed now. Have I lost my 4 of Wands forever? Am I right, Spirit? What's this 9 of Wands in reverse? 9 of Wands in reverse. Yes, they definitely want things to change. They want things to go in the favor of this connection again. But the stress, my God, this person can't sleep at night. So if you're the Empress here and you think my person is hale and hearty and doing well, not at all. They have been pushed into their spiritual awakening as well. And that's thanks to your connection. So that's all I have for you. Till next time then, Pisces. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.